How to earn a developer options or how to enable developer option in Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable developer options on your phone. Now first things first, you want to head into your phone settings. Once on settings, you want to scroll all the way down below and you want to head into about phone option. You can see my developer options is already enabled, but I'll just disable it real quick here. So you can see it's disabled now. So it's gone, right? So you want to tap on about phone option, scroll down, you want to head into your device software information. Now on the software information, what you want to do is you want to tap multiple times on the build number and it'll ask you for passcode. You want to enter in your PIN, and once you enter in your PIN, your developer modes will be enabled. You can see it has been enabled. So now if you head back, your developer mode will be there, you can see, and you can go ahead and change any settings from here. You can disable it simply by toggling it off at the very top as well. So this way you can turn on developer options or turn it off as well. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.